Morning students, so let us start with the second main question. Find the sums given below. So in the second main we have maybe three cases. So I have taken the first one. So see here 7 plus 10 integer 1 by 2 plus 14 plus so on plus 84. So we have to find the sum. In order to find the sum, first we have to find the number of terms. So this is going to be nth term of an AP. So this is an. So first term it is 7. So let us note down the given information. Here A which is equal to 7, then B which is equal to 10 1 by 2 minus 7. So let us simplify this now. B which is equal to, so 2 into 10 it is 20 plus 1, it is 21 divided by 2, 21 divided by 2 minus 1. Now take up the LCM, 2 will be multiplied with 7, we get 21 minus 14, it is 7, so divided by 2. So the common difference it is 7 by 2. And this term is going to be nth term of this particular AP. So and this implies an which is equal to 84. An equal to 84. What is the an formula? A plus n minus 1 into d which is equal to 84. So let us simplify this now. So if we simplify this, we get the value of n. We know the value of a and d. Let us substitute that. What is a here? It is 7. 7 plus n minus 1 into d. What is d here? It is 7 by 2. 7 by 2 which is equal to 84. So now you take 7 to the RHS. 7 to the RHS, it becomes minus 7. So n minus 1 into 7 by 2 this is equal to 84 minus 7. So n minus 1 into 7 by 2 this is equal to 77. Now you take 7 by 2 to the RHS, 2 goes to the numerator and 7 goes to the denominator. Here it is multiplication, take it to the RHS, it becomes division. So n minus 1 this is equal to 77 into 2 divided by 7. 77 into 2 divided by 7. So now 77 divided by 7 will give us 11. N minus 1. So it is 1 11 11 into 2 it is 22. Now take minus 1 to the RHS, it becomes plus 1. So n which is equal to 22 plus 1, n which is equal to 23. So we got the value of n. So that means there are 23 terms in this particular AP. Let us find the sum now. Therefore, yes, n which is equal to n by 2. So instead of using 2a plus n minus 1 into d, so I am going to use a plus l. N by 2 a plus l, because he has given the last term. That is why I am using a plus l. So yes, 23 which is equal to 23 divided by 2 inside the bracket, it is 7 plus 84. 7 plus 84. Yes, 23. This is equal to 23 divided by 2 into how much we get now? 91. So into 91. So now 23 into 91. Yes, 23 which is equal to 2093. So 23 into 91 will give us 2093 divided by 2. Or else this can also be written as yes 23 which is equal to 1046 integer 1 by 2. 1046 1 by 2. So this is the sum of 23 terms of this particular AP. So this is all about the first sub question of the second main question. Pause the video. The next question it is 34 plus 32 plus 30 plus so on plus 10. So now we have to find the sum. So in order to find the sum, again we have to calculate the value of n. That means how many number of terms are there in this particular AP. So let us write the given information. Here A which is equal to 34. A is equal to 34. B which is equal to 32 minus 34. 32 minus 34. The value of D it is minus 2. Then this 10 is nothing but the nth term. Therefore an which is equal to 10. So this implies what is an now? An is going to be a plus n minus 1 into d. This is equal to 10. This is equal to 10. Now substitute the values of a and d. A it is 34 plus n minus 1 into d. D it is minus 2. This is equal to 10. Now see here, take 34 to the RHS, it becomes minus 34. So n minus 1 into minus 2, which is equal to 10 minus 34. 10 minus 34. So now see here, write the left hand side term as it is, n minus 1 into minus 2. This is equal to, what is 10 minus 34? It is minus 24. Minus 24. Now you take minus 2 to the RHS, it goes to the denominator. N minus 1, this is equal to minus 24. Minus 24 divided by minus 2. So minus by minus it is plus n minus 1, which is equal to 12. 2 ones are 2 12s are. So now take minus 1 to the RHS. N which is equal to 12 plus 1. N which is equal to 13. So that means there are 13 terms in the given arithmetic progression. Let us go for Sn now. We have Sn which is equal to n by 2 the bracket a plus l. So now what is n here? N is 13. So it is 13 which is equal to n by 2, that is 13 by 2. So it is 13 by 2. 13 by 2 inside the bracket a plus l. What is a here? A is 34. So 34 plus 10. So now 13 which is equal to 13 by 2 as it is into what is 34 plus 10? It is 44. So 44. Now 13 which is equal to 13 as it is into 2 ones are 2 22s are. So we get 22 here. So now 13 which is equal to 286. So this is the sum of 13 terms of the given arithmetic progression. So this is all about the second sub question. So let us solve the third sub question of the second main question. So here a which is equal to minus 5 and then d which is equal to minus 8. Minus into minus it becomes plus 5. So minus 8 plus 5 which is equal to minus 3, and then this will be nth term of the AP. So therefore an which is equal to minus 230. So this implies what is an here? A plus n minus 1 into d. This is equal to minus 230. So now substitute the values of a and d. What is a? It is minus 5. Minus 5 plus n minus 1 into d. D it is minus 3. This is equal to minus 230. Now take minus 5 to the RHS, it becomes plus 5. So n minus 1 into minus 3. This is equal to this is equal to minus 230 plus 5. Now write this term as it is, n minus 1 into minus 3. This is equal to, so minus 230 plus 5 will give us minus 225. So now you take minus 3 to the RHS, it goes to the denominator. Here it is multiplication. If you take it to the RHS, it becomes division. So now n minus 1 I am going to write it as it is, which is equal to minus 225 divided by minus 3. So minus by minus it becomes plus. So now it is 75. Simplify this, we get 75. N minus 1, which is equal to 75. Then take minus 1 to the RHS now. It becomes plus 1. 75 plus 1. N which is equal to 76. N which is equal to 76. So now substitute the values of A, N and L in the standard formula of Sn. So see here, we have Sn which is equal to n by 2 A plus L, n by 2 A plus L. So now Sn, what is n? 76. So it is S76 which is equal to, so 76 divided by 2. Then what is the value of A here? A, it is minus 5, then plus what is the value of L? Last term, it is minus 230, then let us simplify this now. S76 which is equal to, so see here, 76 divided by 2, it is 38 into plus into minus, it is minus. Minus 5 minus 230 will give us minus 235. So it is minus 235. So minus 235. So now S76 which is equal to, so now 38 into minus 235, how much we get now? Minus 8930. So this is the required sum. So this is all about the third sub question of the second main question.